Art is not bound by everyday reality, says Finnish artist and activist Outi Pieski. It is free to vision and reveal and pose questions that may help others to put forth realistic alternatives. Pieski has gained recognition for her artwork examining the history and identity of the Sami people, incorporating the natural landscape of the region and its traditional dress. She uses her art to imagine how feeling close to and even related to nature could play a role in protecting the environment and cultural traditions from extractive and intrusive industries such as mining, logging, and railways, which threaten the natural resources and health of the Sami region and its people. As a painter who also makes installations, she likes to add a tangible experience to her paintings, a sensibility related to traditional handicraft that includes the knowledge of her ancestors, shared within the community and passed along to the next generations. While in residence at Tamarind Institute, Pieski's first experience with lithography, she focused on depicting the Sami region's dramatic natural environment and traditional clothing, specifically the horned hat worn by her foremother. She explains that the horned hat was used in the northern parts of the Sami region in the 19th century, but its use began to wane in the 1850s due to major historical changes, including the closing of geographic borders in 1852, which had serious negative impacts on the migrating nomadic Sami people, forcing them to adopt a new way of life. That same year, there was a Sami uprising in response to Scandinavian colonialism. The change in the shape of the horned hat reflects this history and the impacts of colonialism. The hat raises questions of equality and points to a shift to a more patriarchal society, intentionally weakening the status of women. Pieski's 4 Tamarind editions honor the hues and textures of the land, horizon, light, and terrain, made all the more compelling by the inclusion of the horned hat.